All right, Adams, October 14th, biweekly maintenance, technically an install. Um, we pulled out all the annuals pretty much everywhere, left a few geraniums here and there selectively. But in this front bed, basically installed some mums, some kale kind of in the center of the bed, and then pansies everywhere else to fill the gaps. We had purple, white, and it's kind of yellow mixed. So we kind of staggered them in clumps, as you can see. Looks really nice, very, very colorful. I know Bill will like it. We also kind of cleaned up these beds. We cut down some geranium, or perennial geranium, some other perennials that didn't look good, campanula, all the way around. Got the same pattern. There were some existing mums in here. We also plugged a couple of pansies into here. Got these shrubs pruned a little bit. Summer reset these planters. They look awesome. Bill already raved about them, so happy about that. Coming into the backyard, pulled the impatiens and begonias and geraniums pretty much clear out of this bed. Plugged in pansies, got debris cleared out before we planted. Same thing over here. The laurels, as we know, look bad back there, just FYI. We left a couple nice looking geraniums in here, and just plugged in pansies in the voids all the way around. A couple right here. We pulled everything out of this planter except the iris. Coming over to this corner bed, kale, mums in the back, and then we kind of filled in the front with pansies, color clumps. Did have to pull the mugo from right there. It was just completely dead. The two dogwoods are probably on their way out as well. That mugo looks okay. Yeah. Cut down some of the anemone, left the stuff that was still blooming. Cut down the last of the lilies and some of the perennial geranium. Up on the ledge, we kept the lantana because it looks really nice still. Kale, mums, pansies, same program. Deadheaded the roses. We pulled all the annual salvia from this area as well. Just filled in the gaps with the mum, pansy, kale program. Same thing over here. Didn't quite have enough material to fill in annuals over here. We did leave the snapdragons because they tend to self-seed. We got this area filled in nicely with pansies. Left a couple clusters of good looking geranium all the way up. Pansies pretty much throughout this bed. Got the gaps filled in over here. Left some geranium over there, and then all the way down to the hostas. These planters down here, this one looks okay. We didn't really get a chance to detail them, kind of ran out of time, but they might be ready for some sort of touch up, especially this one. Nothing's really blooming anymore, and the jasmine kind of looks withered. Don't have any blooms on the petunias or the canna lily anymore, so just something to think about for next visit. But yeah, got this place looking nice and autumnal.